Hidden across the American landscape are places where the skies turned deadly. From remote forests to quiet neighborhoods, these are the towns where planes fell from the sky. This is Forgotten America, and today I'm counting down the top 10 towns in the US where planes crashed. Number 10 will shock you. Number 10. Burbank, California, 1938 Lockheed crash. In 1938, a Lockheed Electra went down in the hills above Burbank. The plane carried oil executives and crashed shortly after takeoff. Today, hikers sometimes find twisted metal hidden beneath the brush, silent remains of a forgotten disaster. Number 9. Roselawn, Indiana, American Eagle Flight 4184. A chilling ice storm brought down Flight 4184 in 1994. All 68 on board died when the plane spiraled into a soybean field. Investigators blamed wing icing. The crash changed aviation rules forever. Number 8. Clear Lake, Iowa, the day the music died. In 1959, a small town outside Clear Lake witnessed the tragic crash of a plane carrying Buddy Holly, Richie Valens, and the Big Bopper. The cause? A stormy night and a fateful decision. A simple field became a shrine to lost rock and roll legends. Number 7. Hopewell, Virginia, 1960 jet crash. Hopewell saw flames rain from the sky when a military jet slammed into a neighborhood in 1960. The pilot ejected, but civilians on the ground weren't so lucky. Homes were destroyed, lives were lost, and the town was changed forever. Number 6. Charlotte, North Carolina, Flight 5481. In 2003, Air Midwest Flight 5481 took off from Charlotte and never gained altitude. It nosedived into a hangar just seconds after liftoff. Overloading and maintenance errors were to blame. 21 people gone in under a minute. Number 5. Las Vegas, New Mexico, War II bomber crash. During World War II, a B-17 bomber went down near Las Vegas. Not the one with casinos, this is New Mexico. The crew never made it to their mission. Locals still tell stories of the explosion lighting up the desert sky. Number 4. Cerritos, California, mid-air collision 1986. A Piper Archer collided with Aeromexico Flight 498 over the suburbs of Cerritos. The passenger jet fell straight into a neighborhood. 82 people died, including those on the ground. One of the deadliest air disasters in California. Number 3. Elizabeth, New Jersey, the city that grounded planes. In just 2 months in 1952, 3 different planes crashed in Elizabeth. One hit an orphanage, another a house. The final straw, a plane fell into a schoolyard. Air traffic was shut down at Newark Airport until new flight paths were created. Number 2. Lockerbie, Scotland. No, try Lockerbie, New York. 1987 near disaster. A lesser-known town called Lockerbie, New York, narrowly avoided disaster. In 1987, an airliner lost control in a storm but managed a miracle landing in a snowy field. The town was spared by inches. No one talks about it, but they should. Number 1. Queens, New York, Flight 587. Just 2 months after 9/11, Flight 587 crashed into the Bell Harbor neighborhood of Queens. Initially feared to be another terror attack, it was later blamed on pilot error and rudder malfunction. 265 lives lost, making it the second deadliest aviation accident in US history. From the famous to the forgotten, these towns carry scars from the sky. Wreckage fades, people move on, but for these communities the sky will never feel the same. Subscribe to Forgotten America for more places in America that we shouldn't forget.